Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Error Invitation. Today my topic is how to make store procedure in SQL Server. Before starting the video, if you are new in my channel then please subscribe my YouTube channel. Without wasting of time, let's start how to create store procedure in SQL Server. First this is my table and table have some values. Now I want to make store procedure for get this value. Create procedure sp get employee data error mutation, and I will take here id integer. If you are take parameter as a null, then you not need to pass this parameter. You can pass or you can not. Okay, is taking employee where emp id equal and name like you need to uh, use like condition like uh, search and this sp is created successfully, and I want to uh, specified column from the all columns and name and city. Okay, now I'm going to execute. Okay, so our sp is created successfully. Now I want to check it's working or not. sp name and id name null and stack search blank. Okay guys, it's working. If I want first record, then I will pass 1 in id and execute. Okay, and if you want all records, then you can give parameter like this. And if you want mm, emp name Bharat, then you can write here Bharat and execute. Okay, it's working. And if you want city like uh, Gandhinagar, Gandhinagar. Okay, it's working. Okay guys, first part of the SQL SP is finished. I will make another part in very less time. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you are new in my channel, and also like, comment this video.